Hi, I'm Jay Escobar, escobarj.com, and this video is how to meditate for anxiety and stress. I've done 5 videos on this topic, so if you want to check out those first 5 videos, I encourage you to pause this video right now and go check out the first 5. They all tie into each other, and it's all kind of step by step, so if you haven't watched those, go watch them now and then come back to this video. Now, if you have watched the first 5, the last video today, we're going to talk about feel it to heal it. And when you allow yourself to feel your emotion and your pain and happiness, joy and love, even positive emotions, going through these emotions as you meditate will allow you to move past these pains, fear, and negative energy and move into your heart, spirit, and positive energies. And honestly, this is what I've used the last few days. If you've recently seen my latest video, you know that I've lost a cousin who I grew up with and was a staple in my life. And it's been a difficult process, not only for, just me, I'm just a cousin, but for his family, his parents, his 2 daughters, his siblings. He had 6 other siblings, and they're all going through a tough time right now. And this is honestly feeling this energy and feeling this sad energy has really what's allowed me to accept and start to move forward. And even though it still hurts when I think about him, it's what's allowed me to really embrace instead of push aside or sweep under the rug or push down your feelings and not address them. Feeling it to heal it allows you to move through and past those hurt feelings and start moving forward in a positive direction and give you a feeling of comfort. And sometimes it's difficult to feel those deep rooted emotions if you've had trauma or if you've had guilt, and if it's building up for such a long time, and you may have created a mental barrier, some mental blocks, some walls, and for emotional or spiritual barriers that you'll need to deal with in order to heal those memories or those experiences to move forward in a positive direction. Otherwise, you get caught up in complacency, you get caught up in negative energy, and you feel like you're in a rut, you feel like you're stuck, you don't feel like you're living at your highest self. And that can be very self-defeating, and that can lead to unwanted or dire or difficult circumstances. And after you allow yourself to go through this mental space, you'll feel an inner peace and confidence, and you'll just have this knowing that, you know what, everything's going to be okay. Things are going to work out. And no matter what happens, as long as I'm aligned and as long as you're aligned with infinite intelligence or source energy, there's nothing that you can't overcome. And there's really nothing that can happen to you. When your time comes, your time comes. When you're ready, when higher power is ready for you, because there's a plan, and when your time's here, your time's up, there's nothing you can do about it. And so, but other than that, if you're living at your highest self and you're feeling this energy and you're feeling it to heal it, and you move past and you're living at source energy and infinite intelligence aligned with that higher vibration, there's nothing that can hurt you until it's your time. There's nothing you can't overcome. The divine creator will never, ever put anything in your path, or he'll never put you through anything that he knows that you cannot overcome. And the key is repeating this process consistently. That will allow you to improve your awareness and also to learn to be more present in those difficult moments, those challenges, the stresses that come in your life. But it's also, on the contrary, it'll also teach you and allow you to focus on feeling more present in positive moments. It'll allow you to feel more fully. It'll allow you to embrace and enjoy those happy times at a much higher clip, at much fuller capacity. You start wanting to be in nature more. You'll start wanting to, do things that brings positivity and brings goodness into your life. The only difference between God and good is one O. And think about that for a second, because God is good. He created all that is good. And you'll find an appreciation for the little things that you take for granted every day, like breathing, having good health, and having a functioning body. And you really, or, maybe your family members, it's very easy to take those who are closest to us for granted. And just because they're always there, right? It's very easy to just, oh yeah, I'll just talk to that person later, or you know, I don't want to put my best foot forward right now because I'm just too busy with other things, and you start taking those people for granted and repeating this process of being fully present and practicing being fully present and practicing awareness and feeling your emotions to heal them and go through them will allow you to appreciate and be in a state of gratitude and humility in those times of need and those times of challenges, but also with the people that you love the most. And it'll just put things in a proper perspective for you. So if you like this series of videos that I've done on meditating for anxiety and stress, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you'd like to get my help personally with this, you can visit my website at escobarj.com and book a coaching session. You can also shoot me an email there if you have a success story or how this has helped you, or if you're having some challenges, you can shoot me an email there also. If you'd like to make a donation, you can donate any amount of money that you feel is equal to the value of the information given in this video or my other videos, any of my other videos. And then at the very least, just do me a favor and share this with any of your friends and family on any social media platform. It is my purpose to help as many people and get this out to as many people as possible, to help people self-actualize and to become the highest versions of themselves. Other than that, I hope that you take seriously to always learn, always grow, and always push forward. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.